7 days till Christmas. Panicking about handmade gifts? Watch this. Gift knitting panic is real. It's October, and if you're staring at your list thinking,
I'll never finish on time,
I have good news. I found 20 patterns that are actually achievable, actually giftable, and actually won't make you hate knitting. And I've organized them by how much time you have. Let's do this. And yes, I'm making this video today because I'm in the same boat. Today I'm showing you the first 10 quick knit patterns. These are the weekend projects and 1 week knit. Part 2 drops soon with 10 more patterns, 1 week make, and 2 week showstopper. Every single one is giftable, and more importantly, finishable. Let's dive in. And don't forget to drop a comment telling me who you're knitting for this year. Number 1, the Bandana Cowl by Purl Soho. This is perfect for literally everyone on your list because it's that rare pattern that looks expensive but knits up in hours. Over 15,000 knitters have made this. It's basically the little black dress of cowls. You can finish this one in 1 weekend afternoon knitting, just 3 to 4 hours total. You'll need just 120 yards of bulky yarn on size 10 needles. It's rated easy, and with nearly 70,000 favorites on Ravelry, this is the most popular free cowl pattern for a reason. Make this in their favorite color, and you'll look like a mind reader. The diagonal construction means it drapes beautifully on everyone. Next up, number 2, the Sockhead Slouch Hat by McClure. This is perfect for the teenager or 20-something in your life who wants that effortlessly cool vibe. The slouchy fit works for literally any head size, which means no awkward measuring conversation. You can finish this in a weekend knitting 4 to 5 hours total. You'll need about 200 yards of worsted weight yarn. It's rated easy to intermediate, and the ribbed brim means it actually stays put without being too tight. This pattern is genius because you knit it flat and seam it, which means you can try it on as you go. No more guessing if the slouch is slouchy enough. Number 3, classic.
Number 3, Calorimetry by Kathryn Schoendorf. This stunning headband keeps your ears warm without messing up your hairstyle. This pattern looks impressive, but knits up quickly in air and weight yarn. Perfect for the person in your life who loves practical accessories with a touch of elegance. You can finish this in just 1 weekend, 5-6 hours total. You'll need 93 yards of air and weight yarn. It's rated easy and knitted flat. This was published in Knitty back in 2006, and it's still trending. That's how you know it's a timeless design. Make it in neutral and it'll get worn for years. You're going to love number 4.
Number 4, Susie Rogers Reading Knit by Susie Rogers. This is perfect for the book lover in your life. And let's face it, that's probably most of your gift list. These knits keep hands warm while leaving fingers free to turn those pages. You can finish this pair in 1 weekend, just 3 to 4 hours total. You'll need only 100 yards of worsted weight yarn. It's rated easy, and the simple construction means you can binge your favorite show while knitting these. Make these in a soft, machine washable yarn like superwash merino. Your gift recipient will actually wear them instead of saving them for special occasions. We're halfway through our weekend wonders. 2 more quick knits, then we move on into 1 week project. Number 5 has the best name. We have Wham Bam Thank You Lamb by Susan Chang. This is perfect for anyone who finds scarves annoying because there's no wrapping, no tying, no adjusting. You just pull it on and you're instantly cozy. It's like a hug for your neck. You can finish this in 1 weekend of knitting, 3 to 4 hours total. You'll need about 120 yards of bulky weight yarn. It's rated easy, and the button closure means one size truly fits all. No measuring required. Choose a fun statement button to make this extra special. The button becomes jewelry. You can even find gorgeous ones at thrift stores or your local yarn shop. Number 6 wraps up our weekend wonders. The Ballband Dishcloth by Gardiner and Shayne. This is perfect for the practical person who actually uses handmade gifts. It's the iconic dishcloth pattern. Over 30,000 knitters have made this, and it's been a beloved staple since the Mason-Dixon knitting book came out. You can finish this in 1 weekend, literally 2-3 hours total. You'll need about 90 yards of worsted weight cotton. It's rated beginner, and the slip stitch pattern creates this amazing textured surface that's perfect for scrubbing dishes. Make a set of 3 in coordinating colors and tie them with a ribbon. It's the perfect hostess gift, housewarming present, stocking stuffer. Everyone needs dishcloth. Okay, pause for a second. We just covered 6 patterns you can finish in a week. That's 6 potential gifts done before next weekend. Feeling better already? Let's keep that momentum going with patterns that need about a week. All right, pattern number 7, the GAP-tastic Cowl by Geigley. lightly. This is perfect for anyone who loves a big, squishy statement cowl. The seed stitch creates incredible texture, and the oversized fit means it's cozy without being fussy. You can finish this in 1 week knitting an hour a day. You'll need about 250 yards of bulky weight yarn. It's rated beginner friendly, and it's just seed stitch in the round. Super easy, super meditative, and super satisfying. This is the pattern for using up that single skein of luxury bulky yarn you've been saving. The simple stitch pattern lets the fiber quality really shine through. Pattern number 8, the Rose City Roller by Kathryn, Bryner. These socks feature a fun geometric colorwork pattern that looks way more complex than it actually is. Perfect for the sock knitter in life. Or treat yourself. You can finish a pair in less than a week, and they're so satisfying to make that you might want to knit extra. You'll need about 400 yards of fingering weight yarn. It's rated intermediate, and it's perfect for variegated yarn. The colorwork, it looks complicated, but with a variegated yarn, you can create some really fabulous patterns. You'll need about 400 yards of fingering weight. It's perfect for variegated yarn. It looks complicated, but with variegated yarn, you could have a lot of fun with this one. Number 9 is Elegant. Ishbel by Ysolda Teague. This is perfect for someone who appreciates delicate beauty. The lace edging is stunning, and the triangular shape drapes beautifully over the shoulders. Over 16,000 knitters have made this modern classic. You can finish this in 1 week, knitting 1-2 hours a day. You'll need about 400 yards of fingering weight yarn. It's rated intermediate for the lace, and the construction is genius. You start with the lace border and work inwards so you can adjust the size easily. This pattern is designed to use exact 1 skein of sock yarn, which makes it perfect for that gorgeous hand-dyed skein you've been holding. No leftover yarn. London Fog with lavender. Number 10, Cozy Perfection. It's Graham by Jennifer Adams. This is perfect for the person who wants a hat that looks handmade in the best way. The texture pattern creates visual interest without being too busy, and it works for any gender of any age. You can finish this in 1 week, knitting about an hour a day. You'll need about 200 yards of worsted weight yarn. It's rated intermediate for the texture pattern, and the slouchy fit means you don't have to stress about exact age. This pattern looks amazing in tweedy or heathered yarns because the texture really pops. The colors work too, but variegation adds that extra something special. Okay, that's 10 patterns you can knock out fast. But here's the thing. Sometimes you want to give a gift that really makes someone say,
Wait, you made that?
that's where part 2 comes in. I've got 10 more patterns that look way more impressive, but still only take 1 to 2 weeks. Part 2 is already live. Click here, over here, or check the description and grab that free printable checklist with all 20 patterns organized by time. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in part 2.